Respected teachers and dear friends, good evening all of you. Today's date is 5th of May 2022 and our today's video topic is recursion in Java. So recursion is basically when a method or a function calls itself again and again. It basically forms a recursion there. So let's understand in a little bit detail what is recursion is. So we all know that there is a for loop, there is a iterator method in Java which is used to iterate an elements of a particular array or particular list or particular set one by one, right? So all of this we can do with the recursion also. Recursion basically uses methods to iterate over one by one and any elements. Let's see an example. If you want to sort a thousand number of elements, or in an e-commerce website or in a Zomato application, you need to sort restaurants as per the 5-star or 4 stars. There is a sorting algorithms are used. So it might if you are using there and for loop or iterator, it will create a complex code or a bigger codes, and in that case recursion will play an important role, because recursion will reduce the code, because the function calling itself again and again. So this is the main use of recursion. And again, the best use of recursion is that recursion, every method is created in the recursion or function is created and function call itself. So as we know that whenever a function is starting its invocation, a thread is created in a stack, or that method is firstly implemented or set on the stack in the JVM, right? So JVM will execute that function, and after when we again call that method again, then next method will again put on the stack in the JVM. So it will maintain every method one by one. By maintaining that method, you will get to know about every process what you have done previously, right? So if you are using the for loop or iterator, you cannot go behind. Once you go after or forward, you cannot check what actually done previously. So to get a reverse results or reverse whatever you want to check what we have done in previous work, recursion plays an important role there. Although every method is put on the stack, so there might be a need or there might require more memory for using recursion. There is a small disadvantage of this recursion, but let's see. There are a concept like sorting, trees and graphs in Java. So whenever implementing tree and graphs in Java, there are lots of methods required and which are similar to each other. So using iterator or for loop there, it will go a very bigger programs, and it will create more complexity. So recursion is play an important role there. So recursion is therefore very important as a developer point of view, because recursion will allow you to create an easier way to iterate over the elements of a particular set or particular objects. So this is about the recursion basically in Java. Thank you.